pag ikaw ba ay nabuntis at pinag-initan sa inyong kumpanya dahil hindi ka makapagtrabahong full-time dahil nga buntis ka, may mga requirements, medical requirements na iyong gagawin, allowed ba ang iyong kumpanya na ilipat-lipat ka para lang ma-force to resign yung buntis? Dito, pinoprotektahan pa rin ang mga kababaihan under our Magna Carta for Women. And this is a case of a BPO employee, senior training specialist doon sa BPO, sa Shaw Boulevard. And in fact, she was recognized as the best trainer in 2017 and officer in charge of the company's training schedules. After a year, she became pregnant and transfer ito sa Clark, Pampanga na opisina rin ng BPO. Of course, affected yung residency niya kasi yung employee, residente ng Bulacan, dati sa Manila, ngayon na-transfer sa Clark. At nag-agree pa rin siya. Ayaw niyang mawalan ng trabaho kasi sinabi naman siya, temporary lang yung iyong transfer. At nung nakasettle down na siya sa Clark, nilipat uli ito sa Tarlac office ng BPO. Sabi niya, although meron namang hotel accommodations, yung daily travel niya, 3.5 hours from her home to the place of employment is medyo affecting yung kanyang pagkabuntis. Meron siyang motion sickness and kung minsan na-absent at finally hindi na niya matiis, nag-resign siya from the company. And upon resigning, nag-file siya ng constructive dismissal. Bakit constructive? Kahit nag-resign ka, pero hindi ka nag-resign voluntarily but due to the conditions of employment, that is tantamount to constructive dismissal. At sabi ng labor arbiter, nag-resign ka na wala na tayong magagawa. So umakyat siya sa Korte Suprema at sinabi ng ating Korte Suprema, discrimination yan against pregnant women. And because of this, sabi ng ating Korte, yung intention to resign, no? Sulat na nagsasabing wala na kasi siyang magawa kundi protektahan yung kanyang baby at yung kanyang sarili. She had no other option to live, kaya siya nag-file ng resignation. This amounts to discrimination, to pregnancy discrimination. Sabi ng Korte, in violation of the Magna Carta for Women.